Today, let's talk about the meaning of STP with example, why to choose STP, STP versus SIP, types of STP, and risk associated with it. Starting with the meaning of STP. STP stands for Systematic Transfer Plan, and it is a way to invest a lump sum amount in a staggered manner. STP works like this. You invest a lump sum amount in one mutual fund, usually a liquid or debt fund, and then you transfer a fixed amount from that fund to another fund, usually an equity fund at regular intervals. For example, you can invest 1 lakh rupees in a liquid fund and then transfer 10,000 rupees every month to an equity fund for 10 months. Why would you do this? Well, there are several benefits of STP. You can earn higher return on your lump sum amount by parking it in a liquid or debt fund, which are low riskier and offer better return than a savings account or a fixed deposit. You can reduce the risk of investing in equity fund by spreading your investment over time. This way you can avoid catching the market at highest point and average out your purchase cost. You can rebalance your portfolio by transferring money from one asset to the another. For example, if you have too much exposure to debt fund and want to increase your equity allocation, you can use STP to do that. STP is similar to SIP or Systematic Investment Plan, where you invest a fixed amount every month in a mutual fund. The difference is that in SIP, the money comes from your bank account, while in STP, the money comes from another mutual fund. There are different types of STP that you can choose from. Fixed STP, where you transfer a fixed amount every month or week or quarter. Capital Appreciation STP, where you transfer only a profit or appreciation from the source fund to the target fund. Flexi STP, where you can vary the amount of transfer depending on the market condition. STP is not free of cost. Every transfer from one fund to another is considered as a redemption and a purchase, and hence it attracts exit load and capital gain tax. That means every transfer is like a sale and a purchase, so you have to pay an exit load and tax on the first fund. So before you start STP, check the cost and benefits carefully. The exit load is usually charged by the source fund if you withdraw within a certain period. The capital gain tax depends on the type and duration of the source fund. For example, if you transfer from debt fund to an equity fund within 3 years, you have to pay short-term capital gain tax on the debt fund. STP is a smart way to invest your big amount in mutual fund, but it needs proper planning and execution.